Ready to discover the secrets to financial success and wealth accumulation? In today's video, we will unveil 9 proven assets that have the potential to make you rich. These assets have captivated the minds of successful investors and individuals seeking financial independence around the world. By understanding and harnessing the power of these assets, you can pave your way toward a prosperous future as they have stood the test of time, providing individuals with opportunities for significant financial growth and prosperity. From time-tested investments to emerging opportunities, these assets have consistently shown their ability to generate substantial returns and create lasting wealth. They offer a unique combination of stability, growth potential, and passive income generation. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or are already an investor, these assets hold the key to unlocking financial success. Let's dive right into it. 1. Stocks and equities. Stocks and equities have consistently demonstrated and proven their ability to generate long-term wealth. By investing in well-established companies with strong growth potential, you can benefit from capital appreciation and dividend income. It's essential to conduct thorough research and select stocks that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Diversifying your portfolio across different sectors and company sizes can help mitigate risk. The best ventures under stocks and equities are growth stocks and blue-chip stocks. Investing in blue-chip stocks of companies like Apple or Microsoft, which have a history of stable earnings and dividend payments, can provide steady income and long-term growth potential. Growth stocks, on the other hand, are companies that demonstrate high potential for earnings growth, often in emerging industries such as technology or biotechnology. These stocks may not pay dividends but offer the possibility of significant capital appreciation. 2. Real estate. Real estate has long been regarded and proven as a reliable wealth-building asset. Investing in residential or commercial properties can provide both long-term appreciation and passive rental income. By leveraging properties and making strategic purchases, you can build substantial wealth in the real estate market. It's important to consider factors such as location, market demand, and property management when investing in real estate. For instance, residential properties in desirable neighborhoods tend to appreciate in value over time. By purchasing properties and renting them out to tenants, you can generate a steady stream of rental income that can contribute to your wealth accumulation and thus covering expenses such as mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance costs. Over time, as the property value appreciates, the investor can sell it at a higher price, realizing capital gains. Commercial real estate, such as office buildings or retail spaces, can offer higher rental rates and potentially higher returns too as the area they are built and grow and develop. Also under real estate, there is a low-cost investment when you decide to invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, which provide an alternative way to invest in real estate. REITs are companies that own and manage income-generating properties. By investing in REITs, you can gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of real estate assets without the need for direct property ownership. REITs are required to distribute a significant portion of their earnings as dividends, making them an attractive option for income-oriented investors. 3. Index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Index funds and ETFs are popular investment vehicles that offer broad market exposure and diversification. These funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a portfolio of securities that aim to replicate the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. Index funds and ETFs provide several advantages for wealth building. First, they offer instant diversification across a wide range of stocks or bonds, reducing the risk associated with investing in individual securities. By investing in an index fund or ETF, you gain exposure to a diversified portfolio without needing to select and manage individual stocks or bonds. Second, these funds typically have lower expense ratios compared to actively managed mutual funds, which can eat into your returns over time. Lower expenses mean more of your investment is working for you. For example, suppose you invest in an S&P 500 index fund. As the stock market grows and the companies in the index perform well, your investment will likely appreciate in value. Additionally, many index funds and ETFs also distribute dividends, providing you with a regular income stream. Furthermore, index funds and ETFs offer flexibility, allowing you to easily buy and sell shares on stock exchanges throughout the trading day. This liquidity provides convenience and the ability to react quickly to changing market conditions. Investing in index funds and ETFs is suitable for both beginner and experienced investors who prefer a passive investment approach. It requires less time and expertise compared to actively managing a portfolio of individual stocks or bonds. Additionally, dollar-cost averaging can be employed, allowing you to regularly invest a fixed amount, regardless of market fluctuations, thereby potentially reducing the impact of short-term market volatility. For bonds and fixed income investments. Bonds and fixed income investments are considered relatively safer assets compared to stocks. They provide a predictable stream of income and can help diversify a portfolio. By investing in government bonds, corporate bonds, or bond funds, you can generate regular interest payments and preserve capital. Government bonds, such as treasury bonds, are considered low-risk investments as they are backed by the government's ability to repay the debt. Corporate bonds offer higher yields but carry slightly additional risk as they depend on the creditworthiness of the issuing company. Before investing in corporate bonds, investors should analyze the financial health of the company, credit ratings, and industry trends to assess the risk-reward profile. Investing in bonds can provide a regular income stream through coupon payments and the return of principal at maturity. Bond funds provide diversification by investing in a portfolio of bonds managed by professionals. These funds pool money from multiple investors and invest in a variety of bonds, spreading the risk across different issuers and maturities. These funds offer convenience, liquidity, and the expertise of experienced fund managers. By investing in bond funds, individuals can benefit from regular income distributions and potential capital appreciation. Enjoying the video, keep listening, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with future episodes packed with valuable financial wisdom. Stay tuned as we delve even deeper into more proven assets that can help you build substantial wealth. 5. Commodities and precious metals. Investing in commodities such as gold, silver, oil, and agricultural products can provide opportunities for wealth accumulation and act as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainties. These commodities have tangible value and can experience price appreciation. Gold and silver, in particular, are often considered safe haven assets. During times of economic uncertainty, currency fluctuations, or market volatility, investors tend to flock to these precious metals, driving up their prices. Gold and silver can be purchased in the form of physical bars or coins, or through exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds that track their prices. Owning physical gold or silver in the form of bars or coins can provide a store of value and a potential hedge against currency depreciation. Investing in oil and energy commodities can be lucrative as it allows individuals to capitalize on global energy demand. As economies grow and industrial activities increase, the demand for oil tends to rise, and these fluctuations in oil prices can present opportunities for investors to profit. This can result in higher prices and potentially lead to capital gains for investors. However, it is essential to closely monitor factors such as geopolitical tensions, supply and demand imbalances, and technological advancements that may impact the energy sector. Agricultural commodities, including wheat, corn, soybeans, and coffee, are essential for food production and provide exposure to the global food market and agricultural industry. Factors such as weather conditions, crop yields, and global demand for food can influence commodity prices. Investing in agricultural commodities can be done through futures contracts, exchange-traded products, or by investing in companies engaged in agricultural production. 6. Cryptocurrencies and digital assets. Cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, have gained significant attention in recent years. While highly volatile and associated with risks, cryptocurrencies offer the potential for substantial returns. Careful research, understanding blockchain technology, and risk management are crucial when investing in this asset class. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, has experienced significant price appreciation over the years. Investors who recognized its potential early on and held on to their investments have seen substantial returns. However, it is important to note that cryptocurrencies are subject to regulatory changes, market sentiment, and technological advancements that can impact their value. 7. Business ownership and entrepreneurship. Starting and owning a successful business can be a powerful wealth-building asset. By identifying market opportunities, providing value to customers, and managing your business effectively, you have the potential to generate significant profits and create wealth. Entrepreneurs who successfully build and scale their businesses can enjoy not only financial rewards but also the satisfaction of creating a lasting impact. By developing innovative products or services, building a strong customer base, and effectively managing operations, entrepreneurs can experience substantial financial growth. For instance, successful entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Jeff Bezos, Amazon, have achieved immense wealth through their visionary approach to business and their ability to disrupt traditional industries. Owning a business also offers potential tax advantages, control over your financial destiny, and the ability to build valuable assets that can be sold in the future. However, entrepreneurship requires dedication, risk-taking, and a strong understanding of the industry and market dynamics. 8. Intellectual property. Intellectual property, IP, refers to intangible assets that are the result of human creativity and innovation. This asset class includes patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. While not as commonly discussed as stocks or real estate, intellectual property can be a valuable asset for wealth creation. Acquiring and monetizing intellectual property can provide several benefits. First, it offers the potential for substantial returns on investment. If you have a unique idea, invention, or creative work, obtaining the appropriate IP protection can grant you exclusive rights to that intellectual property. This exclusivity allows you to license or sell your IP to others, generating income streams through royalties or outright sales. For example, consider a software developer who creates a groundbreaking mobile application. By securing a patent for the technology and copyright protection for the app's code and design, the developer can license the app to multiple users or sell it to a larger software company, potentially earning significant profits from their intellectual property. Second, intellectual property can serve as a competitive advantage for businesses. By protecting their innovations, brands, and proprietary information, companies can differentiate themselves from competitors, attract customers, and command premium prices for their products or services. Trademarks, for instance, can help establish brand recognition and loyalty. A recognizable and well-protected trademark can become a valuable asset as consumers associate it with quality and trust. This can translate into increased market share and higher revenues for the business. Additionally, trade secrets, such as unique manufacturing processes or customer databases, can provide a competitive edge by giving businesses exclusive access to valuable information not known to their competitors. Safeguarding trade secrets through non-disclosure agreements and other legal measures can preserve a company's advantage in the marketplace. However, it's important to note that intellectual property requires careful management and protection. Obtaining and maintaining IP rights can involve legal and administrative processes, and enforcing those rights may require legal action if infringement occurs. Consulting with intellectual property attorneys or specialists can help navigate the complexities of IP law and ensure proper protection and monetization of your assets. 9. Education and personal development. Investing in yourself through education, personal development, and acquiring new skills is a valuable asset. Continuous learning can open doors to better career opportunities, higher income potential, and the ability to make informed investment decisions. Obtaining a higher education degree or professional certifications can lead to higher-paying job prospects. Continuously developing skills and staying updated with industry trends can enhance your value in the job market or as an entrepreneur. Additionally, investing in personal development through books, seminars, and networking can provide valuable insights, expand your knowledge base, and help you build connections with like-minded individuals. Personal development in areas such as leadership, communication, and financial literacy can enhance your decision-making abilities and financial well-being. By expanding your knowledge and honing your skills, you can make informed investment choices, manage your finances effectively, and seize opportunities for wealth accumulation. Creating wealth and achieving financial prosperity is a journey that requires strategic decision-making and informed investment choices. By exploring these 9 proven assets we've discussed, you can pave your way toward achieving your financial goals and acquiring wealth. Diversifying your portfolio with these attractive and captivating assets can help you create a solid foundation for wealth accumulation. Remember, success in investing comes from careful research, understanding market trends, and seeking professional advice. So, take the first step towards your financial independence, and embark on a journey that will lead you to a brighter and more prosperous future. Thank you for giving me some of your precious time today to listen and learn. Do leave a comment and like this video if you enjoyed watching it.